All right. So for group three, you had a little bit different of a situation because you had kept both of your two groups separate. I think you're going to have a much easier time. And if you click over to sheet three, you'll see that I've done this for you. You're going to be able to open it up and access this. I've combined both of your groups and I just have an indicator of if they were in group one or if they were in group two. And I've just given all of your participants random numbers. I just went through the line 1 through 40. So now your S condition, your PSQ, your SS condition, and your MSPSS are all just kind of one of each, and then it's designated if they're in group one or group two. What this is going to allow you to do when you open up your Jamovi over here, let me pull this over. When you come over here to analyze, remember you're going to go to regression and you're going to make a correlation matrix. What this is going to allow you to do is, yes, you're going to be able to play around, always click flag significant correlations, and see, like, is your PSQ correlated with your MSPSS? It's a negative significant correlation. You can interpret this for your discussion. And you can come through on your correlation matrix and see y'all had a lot of significant results you're going to be able to work with here. Like your PSQ was significantly correlated with everything. And then your MSPSS can get significant with this. So you have a lot of things to work with. But the other thing you're going to be able to do, having it this way instead of separated, is you're going to be able to put this group in your correlation matrix and use this as a way to see, did the group that they were in make a difference in any of their scores that they got? And you'll be able to interpret that. Now, you'll need to pay attention to which order was group one and which one was group two, right? Because since you're making this a correlation, the higher number of one is going to affect the higher or lower number of the other. So make sure you're going to be able to interpret that. But this allows you to add your group in as a correlation matrix to give you an idea of if the order that they saw their questionnaire in made any difference in any of the variables. And I'm going to let you interpret that to see what the answer to that question is. But so for your group, this is how I would recommend setting up your correlations. And then here's going to be the information that you have to work with in terms of how you want to interpret these, how you want to try to explain these. But this is going to be your setup for your specific data set. So please email me if you have any questions beyond that.